the KK Squaad. Be your vibes and this, be your vibes and this, vibes and this, be your vibes and this, be your vibes and this, be your vibes and this. I'ma say. Alright. Let me just stick to doing hair.
Gwaan KK Squaad, it's a girl Kurly Krissy. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. Yeah, I know I'm looking a little crazy right now. My hair looking dry, my ponytail looking doop, me looking doop. I just look crazy loco. So with my hair looking like this, I think it's the perfect time for me to do a deep conditioning treatment. That's how I know when a deep conditioning treatment works for my hair. When it's this extra dry, and then when we use it, it looks moisturizing, soft. You get what I'm saying. This company on Instagram by the name of Kerotin Hair Care, they sent me their deep conditioning treatment system to try out. So I decided to make a video while trying it out for the first time, you know. I'm excited to use these products because I've watched reviews and I've seen that it works for a lot of people here, like different hair types, from straight hair to wavy hair to curly hair to kinky hair to coily hair. So I'm gonna show you everything that they sent me in their little package. So the first one is the Kerotin, that's the company's name, Keratin Freshening Mask. So it's a keratin protein, aloe barbadensis, avocado oil. This mask has no parabens or sulfates, no sodium chloride, silicone free, safe for colored hair. So on the back it's saying this keratin infused mask moisturizes and repairs damaged hair. It combines the nourishing benefits of coconut, avocado and argan oil, the anti-aging properties of pomegranate. You know, Jamaicans can't really pronounce that word. We call it ponganut in Jamaica, and hops extracts, and the strengthening properties of keratin. So I'm not gonna read everything that's on this container. If you check my description box, I'm gonna have all details about these products one by one. So if you want more info on this mask, you can check the description box. So next we have the Keratin Nourishing Oil. Ooh, I'm so excited to use these products, you guys just don't understand. Hair and body enriched argan oil blend, natural ingredients. This is more for like your split ends and stuff like that. Most people use it on the tip of their hair. You can use it as a scalp treatment and deep conditioning treatment. You can use this on your body as well. It says a body moisturizer and all that good stuff. Ta-da-da! Next we have the Royal Crown. I'm so excited to use this. This is a heat cap to make your deep conditioning treatment work the best way possible. Let's see. Ooh. Whoa. And it's my favorite color. Whoa, I like this. You could tell this is good quality. Like, yeah. How about this? Oh, I don't elastic. Me don't know enough. Me don't know what that for a while ago, but yo, girl. Yo, this are every on my head. This is gonna trap in the heat. I could tell by the weight of this, all the heat is gonna be trapped in. Yeah. So guess what? Let's just get right into it. Let's just get right into this deep conditioning treatment to see how it works. Okay, KK Squaad, so I'm back. I just washed my hair. Be prepared for this. Once I remove my t-shirt, be prepared. Anyways, all right, the shrinkage is real. This one piece in the front just I don't know what's going on. But anyways, I'm gonna do my hair in 4 sections. I'm just gonna use my nails to section my hair in 4. Okay, so usually I start in the back, but because I want you guys to see what I'm doing, I'm gonna start with the front section. I'm gonna be starting with the Keratin Freshening Mask. Focus. Alright. You can see it's creamy. It's a creamy consistent. By the way, I haven't combed my hair out or anything as yet. That's why it's still so tangled. I didn't condition my hair either. I just shampooed it. That's it. So I'm gonna start at my ends and work my way up to my roots. The ends are the oldest part of your hair, so that needs the most attention. So now I'm going to be using the Keratin Nourishing Oil at the tip of my hair, like the ends. And work my way up. And then I'm just going to comb that through. So I'm just going to be doing the same thing for each section.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So I'm all done applying the mask and the nourishing oil to my hair. So before I place the cap, the heated cap on my head, I'm gonna place this disposable cap first over my hair. So now I'm gonna pop this bad boy in the microwave for a minute. So be right back. As you can see, it's a little hot. It has the adjustable strap. I look weird with this thing on my head. But anyways, I'm gonna keep it on for probably, it says 15 to 30 minutes, but maybe an hour. I'll let you guys know when I come back. Alrighty, so I kept it on for an hour. Ooh. And it's still warm inside. 1 hour later. Guys, my hair smells so good right now. I think it's the oil. It has like a minty scent. It's so refreshing. Like, hopefully when I rinse this out, my hair still smells like this, because I love the smell. And I love the way it makes my hair feel soft. But let's rinse this out first to see if I still get that same feeling I'm getting right now. Be right back. Alright, so I washed my hair out and dried it with a t-shirt. Just dried it a little bit. But guys, my hair feels so good, so alive. Shrinkage is always gonna be, it's always gonna be there. I can't do anything about the shrinkage, but my hair feels good. So good. And the smell is still there, that refreshing minty smell. I recommend these products. The only downfall is the size. I wish it was bigger. If it was bigger, perfect, but I recommend. Your girl here feels good, feels alive. Okay guys, so I just put my hair in some plaits. I did some plaits just to get my hair to stretch so I could style my hair. Look out for that video. That video will be coming after this. Anyways, if you guys are interested in these products, in this deep conditioning system, I have a code so you can get 15% off. It's Krissy 15. I'm gonna have the name down here and also in the description box if you guys want to purchase and get some discount. 15%. Yo, who don't like discount? Me love discount. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to hit that bell so you can be notified when I post videos. Also, please remember to subscribe, please, because 85% of the people that watch my videos don't subscribe, and the next 15 subscribe. Please, just don't forget to subscribe. I appreciate you guys watching, I really do, but please subscribe as well. Hit that thumbs up, make it blue, and stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.